Hello everyone, this is not the end crochet. I'm here for a little quick tidbit. Let me see, look around. I'm getting ready to start another project. It's going to be pretty big. It's going to be a pretty good sized Afghan. It's going to be my birthstone Afghan. Been trying to get to it for a while, and I'm finally going to have the opportunity to get to it before Christmas time. So the initial yarn that I was going to start it with, aubergine for garnet for my father. I was getting ready to pull the thread, and it looked like it was pulling from the center, but guess what? It's not. It's pulling from the outside. Now I would worry about this, but I don't have to, or I could go fishing for the actual end and pull out a lot of yarn barf, but I don't have to. Now, the reason why I always like to pull from the center is because it's less tangle, less spaghetti going crazy and tangles. But there is no crochet rule that I know of that say you have to pull from the center. You can pull from the outside, like what this one is trying to do. And that might entail taking the wrap off, but I'm cool with that as long as I can keep it until the project is done. But like I said, mentioned before, there's a solution to that. I found this on eBay. I think it was like $19 or $20, and you see it spins freely. And all you need to do is, once you unwrapped your skein, to sit the skein, make sure it's got a good place to go in at, down on it, and it'll turn just as free as it want to turn. And as you crochet, it'll turn. So don't worry about the crochet police getting you, because there are ways around things. Okay, this will work with regular wrapped skeins like this. You can see I can just slide it down on there, and that'll just turn as it will. The only thing that I've seen that might be a problem is that if your rhythm really kicks in good and you get to going fast, sometimes it'll get up under there, but that's an easy fix. Just pull it up from under there and it'll continue to spin. So with regular wrap skein yarn, cakes, whee, see there? Bullet type skeins, a little loppy. Just sit up just straight and it'll be all right. And I don't have any of that new type of wrapped skeins that look like layers laying on top of each other. But as long as it's got a place in the center for the peg to go, I think it'll be fine. It's right in there. And that's my how-to for today. Y'all keep sweet. God bless. Hugs and peace out.